What's good, everybody? How's it going? New year 2021. So right now I'm checking out this DJI stabilizer that I purchased for my camera. I have a Canon 200D. I'm upgrading all my equipment for car meets and better video quality and stuff like that. So this is one of the purchases that I got. And right now I'm just testing it out. I got everything balanced on it. I'm ready for this year. A lot of car meets I'll be going to. A lot of people have been asking me where have I been for the past months. So right now I'm gonna let you guys know. I already posted a video of all the issues that my car has been giving me. And I kind of fixed all the issues thanks to my buddy Honda Mobile Mechanic. I'm always put him down below because he's the one that fixes everything that's wrong with my car. If any of the modifications that I can't fix, he'll do it for me. I'm actually going to see him in January so he could do the two things that I'll be doing in January is lowering the car about 2 inches. And so as of right now, my car has 110k miles on it. Yes, I drive the hell out of this car. So all that mileage on the car is just straight highway mileage. This is my car that I, go to work with and travel and stuff like that. 110,000 miles on it, so I'm going to be replacing the turbo with one of the turbos that I purchased, thinking that I had a turbo failure once. I actually bought 2 turbos and the turbo wound up not being the issue to what was going on with my car. And the funny part is, when I took it to the Honda dealership, they basically told me the car was fine, but it wasn't. As soon as I left the parking lot, driving down probably 30 minutes away from home, the car decided to stall out on me, and it wound up being the spark plugs. I don't know what's wrong, but cylinder 3 is always giving me issues. I purchased spark plugs and ignition coils and I installed it. Now the car is running fine. And another reason why my car was shutting off on me and you heard like grinding noise sounded like it was coming from the turbo. That's why me and Honda Mobile Mechanic assumed that it was going to be the turbo. It wound up not being the turbo. The only reason why I found out that it was not the turbo is because I bought a turbo adapter plate, which I recommend. If you guys want a loud blow-off sound, I recommend just going with like a HKS blow-off valve. Don't just purchase the plate. I ended up installing that because turbo was going out and Honda Mobile Mechanic was going to replace everything. I installed it. While installing it, I had to remove the blow-off valve, and the original blow-off valve on the car was completely dirty, and that was the main reason why the car was acting stupid. It would shut off on me on the highway while I'm driving. Every time I would accelerate from car, everything would just shut off, and it would have the whole Christmas tree light of all the errors that's going on with the car. I purchased one turbo and the turbo wasn't the issue. Since I have the turbo laying around, I'm just gonna replace it since my car has 100k miles on it. I'll be getting rims around April, May. The future mods for 2021 that I'll be doing to my 2018 Honda Accord, if it doesn't take a shit on me again, because right now it's running perfectly fine. But I'll be switching out the headlights. I got tired of these headlights right here, so I'm going to be switching those out. I'm going to be getting the whole body kit. I'm going to be lowering it. I was thinking about doing coilovers, but I'm never gonna go that low, so I'm gonna be doing springs, 2-inch drop. I'll be, hopefully, I don't know if I want to, but I might repaint the car or wrap it. If the car keeps acting up, then I'm probably just going to trade it in for something else. I'm thinking a BMW or an Audi. Hopefully it doesn't have to come down to that, but like I said, all the modifications that I wanted to get done to the car, I wasn't able to do it due to all the issues that I've been having for the past 2 years with my Honda Accord. I really do feel like I just got that bad Honda, and that I had to pay that much to fix the car up. So that's why my car is still the way it is. No real mods and stuff like that on it. All the issues that I've been having. I'll be doing a lot of mods, but I might as well just wait for the ones that I've seen nobody done yet. The ones that I know people have done are the ones that I'm saying right now. Body kit, rim, headlight, maybe paint the car. I love the Nardo gray look to the Honda Accord, so I was thinking about wrapping it that color. Change the inside interior to, I like the red seats, so just the basic stuff everybody already has that I'm thinking about doing, and then the rest of the other mods, I'm gonna just wait because I just want to see if anybody's done that yet. If not, then I'm gonna jump on it. I purchased the K-Tuner, I believe it's the V2. Purchased it probably like 6 months ago, and I was never able to install it in the car because everything fucking up on my car. Probably like at 100,000 miles I was able to install it, which is crazy. I'm kind of mad, upset, but I can't do anything about it. This camera, the stabilizer's going everywhere. I'm just trying to get used to it. So this is just a quick update of everything that I'm going to be doing 2021. We're just gonna see from there, all right? I'm not gonna get my hopes up because the car still got a couple things that need to get fixed. I have to contact the dealership where I got the car from so they could, an oil leak, gotta do a timing adjustment, and that's basically it. Hopefully though, after that, the car doesn't give me any issues, and if the car doesn't give me any issues, then I'll be purchasing all the modifications that I wanted to do in the first place. There it is, people, I'm back. Hopefully I'm back, but you guys will probably see me more on video. And another thing is that at 3,000 subscribers, I will be doing another giveaway. Tune into that. And all my loyal fans that's still here, I appreciate it. Much love to you guys. Try to continue making positive videos for you people, and hopefully my channel goes somewhere so I'm able to get a shop, do giveaways on a daily basis, and you know, improve, come to car meets and stuff like that. So hopefully I'm able to do that. Thank you guys for watching my video. Peace out. I'll see you guys next modification. Peace.